everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll be creating a Linux EC2 instance and connecting to it using SSH. Requirements: AWS account. SSH clients like Git Bash, Linux, or Mac OS command line terminal, Windows 10 PowerShell, etc. Log into your AWS account. Navigate to the AWS Services tab at the top left corner. Click on Services and select Compute, which lists all the compute services available in AWS. Select EC2 that take you to the EC2 dashboard. On the top right corner of the EC2 dashboard, choose the AWS region in which you want to provision the EC2 server. Here we are selecting the London region. Once your desired region is selected, come back to the EC2 dashboard. Scroll down a bit and click on Launch Instance button. Give your instance a name. Next, specify the number of instances you want to provision. Choose an AMI from the application and OS image, Amazon machine image. Select Red Hat and then click on the drop-down list to select the free tier option. Next, choose the EC2 instance types and key pair, log in. Click on the drop-down list and select T2.micro, so as not to get charged. Select a key pair if you already have one created. If not, click on Create New Key Pair and follow the steps below. If you are creating a new key pair, give your key a name and then select key type, RSA, and key format, .pem. Once you click on Create Key Pair, the public key gets downloaded on the instance being created while the private key gets downloaded on your local storage. For network settings, click on Edit to open the tab in full view. Select your VPC and subnet if you have created one, if not, the default will be selected. Also enable auto-assign public IP so that a public IP address would be assigned to the instance upon creation. Next, create a security group, give it a name. Create security group rule by allowing SSH port 22 source type anywhere, which is 0.0.0.0/0. Configure storage. You can add more volume to your instance, but this default would be sufficient for test. Launch instance. Click on View All Instances to view instance in dashboard. We now have our instance created. Select the instance created, wait for the instance status check to be complete. You can refresh the dashboard to see the current status of the instance by clicking on number 2. Once status checks is pass, click on the Connect tab. Click on the SSH client tab, copy the last command given. Open an SSH client like Git Bash, Windows PowerShell for Windows 10 users or Terminal for Mac and Linux user. Change to the directory where you have the key pair downloaded by using the command cd and the directory where your private key is downloaded. Change the permission of the key pair to 400 by running this command in the terminal. chmod 400 your key name. Then run the command as seen in the image above to SSH into the instance. Great job, you have successfully SSH into the EC2 instance. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you for watching.